Welcome to Daily Insights, the home of wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Today's conversation, the courage to be you, embracing your authentic self, came to me in a conversation with my brother, Martin Thompson, and my cousin, Donna. In this vast expanse of life, we hold a thread of truth, a unique strand that weaves the essence of who we are. But, yes, there is a but. Have you ever paused and wondered, what is your truth? What is the story that only you can tell? In our daily lives, we often wear masks, playing roles that society expects of us. But in the quiet of the night, when the world falls silent, do you hear the whisper of your authentic self, longing to be acknowledged, longing to be free, yes, longing to own your truth? Owning your truth is not merely about acknowledging your desires, your passions, and your dreams. Owning your truth is about standing in your power, even when the winds of doubt and fear howl around you. It is about looking in the mirror and saying, this is me. This is who I am in all my glory and imperfection. But, again, another but, what does it mean to own your truth? Is it an act of rebellion or is it an act of love? I invite you to see it as an act of love. Embracing your truth is the ultimate act of self love. It is about permitting yourself to be fully and unapologetically you. Now I ask you to perform an inspection of yourself. Are you living your truth? Or are you merely existing in the shadows of who you believe you should be? Who others say you should be? Now, I want you to listen to me. What would it mean for you to step into the light, to own your story, and to live with unbridled authenticity? Owning your truth is a challenging path. Yes, it is. It requires courage, vulnerability, and an unwavering belief in oneself. But imagine the freedom that comes from shedding the weight of expectations, from breaking free of the chains that binds you to conformity. As we journey together in this fleeting moment, let's ask ourselves, are we merely actors on the stage of life? Or are we the courageous playwrights of our destiny, of our story? The choice, my friends, is yours to make. Let this be the moment you choose to embrace your truth, live with purpose and passion, and radiate your authentic self, your light, into the world. Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.